Hello everyone. Today I will introduce my website ConvertKr, and this is basically a document conversion website, so that will convert your document into multiple formats. As you can see, there are multiple features there: merge PDF, split PDF, and you can convert Word to PDF, JPEG to PDF, PDF to PNG. So recently I have updated few new features in my website. There you can see a new tag on the feature as well. So firstly I will try to introduce screen capture, how we can use this one and how it's working like that. So how we can use this one, you just need to put the website URL here, and there you can see the preview. There are also preview settings, you can use these settings as well. And related to width, basically it's related to the screen viewport. So there are multiple viewports, as you know, multiple screen sizes, multiple resolutions, different laptops. So here you can see 1920, 1366, 2080. So you can take the screenshot according to the window size. And also you need to put the height if you want to take a full page of screenshot, because sometimes where there is, it will take the visible screenshot. But if you want full page screenshot, then you need to describe the height. Let me tell you how you can describe the height. So currently I will put 1000. And if I take this screenshot right now, it will take some time, few seconds, and it will capture the screenshot right now. Let's wait just 2 minutes. Yeah, so here you can see the screenshot. It's just a 1000 height screenshot and 1920. So now I will select 1366 and height 2000, and let's again capture the screenshot. Yeah, so you take the screenshot. Now you can see 1366 website, and just take the screenshot according to the height and window size. And also delay functionality. Delay, sometimes we didn't, your image is not properly, so we need to adjust the delay on the, so it will take some time and make the exact screenshot for that. This is the screen capture. I just recently added this feature right now. And also Excel to PDF and Excel to PNG, I have added two features as well right now. And also there are merge to PDF. If you select the PDF file here, let's select this one, and it will show you the preview. And you can also add the multiple files and PDFs, and it will merge the PDF in one PDF. And if you want to split the PDF, you just need to give the split PDF here, and how many pages you want. Currently here is one pages and one page. So if there are multiple pages in the PDF, so you can split the PDF as well. Compress PDF and PNG to PDF, these are a simple conversions to a image format. And if you have a image JPEG and you want to into PDF, so you can use these features as well. Let me Excel to PNG, let me show you how this is working. If I go this one and let, it's just working right now. Let's wait just 1 to 2 minutes, and it's just create the PNG. And here you can see the PNG, it's working fine. It just take the whole screenshot of the Excel file, which we have data in the Excel file. And the same is working on the Excel to PDF as well. And you can check this website, and please share your reviews in the comment section. What we have to improve in this website, what we have to add the features in this website. Thank you everyone.